This is deep squats with 3D breathing. So the bottom end of this squat is our ideal mobility range. Birdie's still working on his, so he is going to use this drill to get down lower than he could otherwise. He's going to hold on to something to keep himself from falling backwards. So go ahead and squat. You want to stay close to the pole or whatever it is you're working with, so you're not putting your shoulders in a bad position. And he's going to get all the way down to his end range. See how his back is up nice and tall? And from here, he's going to take 5 3D breaths down into his hips, filling his ribs and through his back. His head is in a neutral position. That's great. And ideally, what we want to happen is his butt to get closer to his heels and for him to be able to let go of that pole and stay in this position. He's not quite there yet. But when he gets ready to come back up, he's going to slowly walk his hands up the pole, make sure he's activated through his core, and his head is going to come straight back up, and it's not going to pitch forward as he's coming up. Nice.